In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable macros in Excel. Macros can be very helpful because they let Excel automate tasks that you do again and again. However, Excel often blocks macros by default for security. So the goal today is to show you where to change the macro settings, so your macros can run when you need them. First, click the File tab. This is the button in the upper left area of Excel that opens the Backstage view. You might notice that your spreadsheet is still visible, but Excel is now showing menu options for managing files and settings. Taking this step matters because the macro control is not located on the main ribbon. It is in the Excel settings area, which you reach through File. Next, click Options. This opens the Excel Options window. Here, Excel gathers a lot of configuration choices, including security settings. At this point, take a moment to locate the Options entry clearly in the list. Once you click it, the window should appear with several categories on the left side. Then, click Trust Center. This section is where Excel stores the controls related to trust and security for documents. Since macros are considered a potential security risk, these settings are managed inside the Trust Center. When you click Trust Center, you are telling Excel that you want to adjust how it handles trusted documents and macro behavior. After that, click Trust Center Settings. This is the specific place where you can fine-tune the choices that govern macros. You may see the current security posture displayed. This step matters because it is the doorway to the macro settings we need to adjust. Now, click Macro Settings. This is where Excel gives you different options for how macros should be handled. You will be able to choose a behavior that matches what you need. As you look through the available choices, remember that the right option depends on the type of work you are doing, and you should only enable macros when you trust the source of the file. Next, select Enable VBA Macros. This option allows VBA macros to run. Before moving on, confirm that you have selected the exact line that enables VBA macros. Excel may also show additional explanations near the option, which can help you understand what changes when you select it. After selecting that option, click OK. This confirms the macro setting. It is a good idea to wait for the window to close or for Excel to register the selection, so you can be confident the change took effect. Finally, click OK again. This second OK closes the remaining Excel options window and returns you to your spreadsheet. At this point, your macro setting is enabled according to what you selected, and Excel will allow those macros to run under the behavior you chose. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.